Welcome to the fourth Energy Work for Atheists video series now. Again, this does not mean that this is specifically for atheists. Okay, I'm just trying to relay the idea that this is an agnostic energy work video series. Personally, I'm an agnostic, and this is I'm not taking any sides. I'm not telling you to feel spiritual energy or how to tap into your higher self or anything like that. I'm just simply relaying the facts of the specific exercises, no matter what the actual mechanism is. So this is energy work that everybody can practice, because it turns out that practicing this stuff and getting it down really helps deepen your meditative practices, and allows you to get into a variety of very bizarre and unique states of mind that otherwise are extremely difficult to get into. So, if you appreciate what you're learning on this channel, please take a second, hit the subscribe button. I would really appreciate that. Let's just get started. Okay, so this video we are going to talk about the energy ball, right? You see a lot of videos on this. And let's talk about the energy ball, how to do it, and how to take it a step further. Okay. All right. So I'm sure you've seen many videos where people go like this, right? They go like that, and they feel a little something in their hands, like repulsion force, some sort of magnetic sensation, right? I find this very interesting. I would be very curious to find out what's happening neurologically with this exercise, with any of the exercises that actually where you're creating kind of this like magnetic feeling, this pulling together or pushing apart. Very interesting to me. I would be really interested to know what is happening neurologically and why that specific sensation. I don't know. Anyway, again, if you're a neuroscientist or you know somebody who is, I would love to see some research done on this, because it's one of the things that I am always just like so curious about and so frustrated why there's no actual research done on energy work. Screw the stigma. Just let's figure out what's happening with this stuff. Okay, anyway, back to the ball. If you've never tried this before, this is the basic practice, right? You kind of close your eyes now that you've already, practiced getting the sensation done. You've got the body scan down, and you have this full body kind of awareness of what sensations are possible to duplicate, right? So with the quote unquote energy ball, you're going to just imagine. Move my microphone. There we go. Okay. You're going to imagine that you've just got, a big, solid, heavy gold ball in your hands, and you're just holding it. And I want you to just close your eyes. Just pretend like you've got this really dense golden ball. Gold's a pretty dense material, right? If you want to do, whatever you're familiar with, right? If you want to imagine a big iron ball or whatever, that's fine. But gold, I think gold kind of creates just this idea of very dense material. So just imagine this big gold ball in your hands. You're just holding it. Go ahead and actually flex your fingers like you would if you were holding a golden ball this big. It would be pretty heavy, right? It would be like a big shot put ball or something. And so you're just holding this golden ball, and just really try to feel that heaviness of it, the big gold ball in your hands, and you're just playing with it and holding it. And now, once you kind of get that sense of like density and heaviness, okay, down, and you're comfortable with, okay, I can kind of feel a big golden ball in my hands. Well, now you're going to compress it, squeeze it down smaller, and you're going to feel it'll feel like it's resisting a little bit, right? And you've got this golden ball in your hand. It's very dense, metal, heavy ball, and you're trying to squeeze in on it, and it's resisting because, typically you can't crush gold. I don't think that's something humans can do, just highly doubtful. So you're pushing in on it, and you'll begin to feel a pushback, right? You begin to feel something pushing back on your hands. So that's the gold. That's the energy ball, right? You're just playing with it. You're just playing with this golden ball, and after you get that sensation down, you can get rid of the gold ball, right? And now you're just going to do it with your hands. And so, duplicate that sensation, like what you got from imagining the golden ball. And when I come in, I get the repulsive feeling. But when I pull away, I get the attractive feeling. It's like my hands want to stay in this spot alone, right? So if I push in, it repels it back to that spot. If I pull out, it wants to bring it back into that spot. So I get kind of that bi-directional sensation, and I'll just do kind of back and forth where it's like, it's like repelling, it's pulling back, it's repelling, it's attracting, it's repelling, it's attracting, it's repelling, it's attracting. And just that's pretty much this exercise, okay? You're just playing with this energy ball. And the point with this is to just get it as vivid of a sensation as you can. Just kind of keep doing it until it really, really feels like your hands are two big magnets and they're repelling and attracting each other. And but this is important because it leads to what we're going to do next. Okay. Yeah. Pretty crazy, man. All right. Now that you got that down with your hands, practice it for a while. If you don't yet feel it, keep trying to get it. Most likely you'll feel it. Most people feel it right off the bat, but it's okay if you don't. Okay, don't feel like you're different or weird or anything. If you don't feel it, just keep practicing. Bring back the golden ball for a little while. Keep doing that until you really start to get that sensation. Now, once you get that, you can do what is typically referred to as bone packing or body packing. Now, again, don't know if this is really energy getting packed into your bones. I'm not going to say one way or the other. Okay, I honestly don't know, but I personally approach this from a scientific perspective. But what I do know is that it can become a very, very real feeling, right? So what bone packing is where you move that feeling, okay? You move that energy ball feeling on down through your arms, okay? You're actually going to do your arms and your legs and just kind of move it through your body, right? So the idea is to imagine that you're as you feel that feeling, okay, and as you're kind of feeling it repelling off of your whatever body part you're working on, that you're packing it into your body, okay, and it creates this kind of lasting energetic feeling. So you kind of you're just pushing the energy back and out, and just imagine that as you're doing this, that the energy is packing more and more densely into your arm. And it's a pretty cool feeling. Like it really feels like you're doing something, which I mean you are. Obviously you can feel it. There's something happening, but yeah. So the idea is to just kind of carefully go over your whole body. Don't rush it or anything, and just do it until you've got both arms done, and then you do your legs. Just kind of, I don't know if you can see, I use both hands and just my inside my groin and kind of my upper buttocks, and I just kind of like this, and I go down to my knee. I should probably, well, whatever. I'll go down to my knee, okay, and then I'll go this way, starting by the crease by my belly and my buttocks, and go like this. And what was crazy is I'm doing this here, right, and I'm showing you guys, and I can feel it on my leg because like I'm so like used to that. That's crazy. Okay, so I'm going like this, and then I kind of pat around my knee, and then I go down my. That is so bizarre. Okay, and I go down my leg, and kind of pat up my foot and do that, and then you do your other leg, and then you take that energy ball, okay, and you just kind of, instead of packing it into your body area, you're just kind of using your hands to kind of like just guide it around in circles. Okay, just kind of guiding it around your body. Maybe imagine it's like kind of halfway emerged or halfway submerged into your body, and you're just kind of like rolling it around. So it's going around my back, come back this way, on my back, come back this way, up, around my neck. Okay. And that's it. It's one of those exercises that really helps amp up your ability to feel like that, to really create that neural feedback or that induced energetic sensation that energy work is all about. Again, I'm gonna do a warning video. Don't mess with your head area, and I'll explain it in the next video. I probably should have done this earlier, but yeah. So I'm going to stop this video now. That's the energy ball and kind of bone packing or body packing exercise. Great exercise. Really gets it, that sensation moving. And I will see you guys in the next video. If you have not yet subscribed, please do that. And I think that's it for this one. So see you guys soon. Bye.